another bang.
Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Yvonne Wema, and today we'll be doing the French curl braids. So I began to do my cornrows, and I'm using this stick. It's a barbecue skewer for doing my parting, and I absolutely recommend. It does clean partings, very easy, mostly if you're doing it by yourself and you're doing it, at the back. As you can see, I'm just doing a straight line without using a second mirror. And I do the cornrows first because I'll be crocheting, and as you can see, they are also front cornrows. Those are the ones that I'll be braiding, so keep watching so that you can get the whole detail about this video. So when it comes to doing cornrows by yourself, what really matters is the grip and how your fingers transition from left to right. And let me tell you, fun fact, it's really easy. I'll be doing a full tutorial on how you can do cornrows by yourself, because once you get the hang of it, you'll be wanting to do cornrows every week, because it will be the best thing you really learn, and I really want to teach you all. Now that I'm done with the cornrows, our next step will be crocheting. And before I forget, I really stress on this, that there is importance in oiling your scalp. If your scalp is sensitive, if your scalp is itchy, if your scalp it has dandruffs, oil your scalp. So the hair that I'll be using is the Angel Curly piece. I actually used 3 packs. Here you can screenshot. I really left time for it. I was using 3 packs, and this is how it looks when straight out of the box. This is how it looked. It's so long. And talking about the texture, it's not soft. Like, it doesn't have that braid feel. It's the only word that comes to my mind is frizzy. I don't know, but yeah. So I cut it into 2, and when you unravel, this is how it looks. It wasn't giving a French curly, but I'm here for it. I was actually excited to see the curls, and again, it's not that soft, like slidey or slimy. And now I was using the curl activator because I really wanted to maintain the curls, and I feared that the more I unravel, the more I lose the curls. So the curl activator really worked best for me compared to the conditioner, and I highly recommend it. So this is what you're having. You can see after using the curl activator, the curls are there, they are bouncy, and I'm very much satisfied. So we move on to the crochet part. And one tip I would like to share with you: make sure that your crochet lines are not that tight, to make it easy for you for the crochet hook to pass through, because when it's tight, it becomes very much painful and uncomfortable, and trust me, you won't like it. So follow through as I crochet my hair, and I'll be giving you tips on what I learned as I went through, because my crochet design kind of changed at the middle, and I'll explain why. So at the back, I did the normal crochet, but I kind of noticed that my hair was kind of unraveling. So I decided to switch to the invisible crochet so that I can make this hair more intact and it doesn't unravel, which is kind of disappointing. So this is how you do the invisible crochet. You're going to be pulling your hair once and twice, as you can see. Let me repeat in slow-mo so that you can fully understand. So you'll be taking your crochet, pulling your hair to the first, then the second, then the third. This will ensure that your hair is more intact, and let me tell you, this crochet will truly last long. And as you can see, I'm getting the volume. I was kind of excited, so let us continue. I am repeating again: pulling your crochet hook once, twice, you can even go thrice, however you want it. And in this way, if you pull the crochet hair, it won't be falling apart, it won't be disappointing. It can last you for a month, for 2 months. Nothing will happen. You can style it in a bun, you can style it sideways, and you won't be seeing shading of hair or like your crochet is falling apart, which I kinda loved it. So I'll be giving you some time so that you can view it, and then we'll head right to braiding. keep watching. And I extend my appreciation to you, my viewer, for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you like this video, express it by hitting that like button. And to my subscribers, to my 3,990 subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate you, and I am so glad you are in this journey with me. We are almost reaching at 5,000, but I'm truly grateful for where I am right now. I really hope that you're learning something, that you're getting insights and creative ways to style your hair. That's the main reason for this channel. That's the really main reason, because I really love hair. I love trying different hairstyles. I love knowing them, and I also want to extend my passion for loving hair to you people, because hairstyles are literally crowds. Okay, before I pour my whole heart out, I did the braiding to the other side, and look at me. It was kind of painful. I'm so shocked. I did it by myself and it's painful. Back with my stick again, it has really served me. So I used wax at the front, and let me explain why. Because my hair was kind of natural, and when I was braiding, you could see traces of my hair, which was kind of disappointing, because you can see it is actually long, and I wasn't braiding till the end. I was just doing the pick and drop thing. And so the wax kind of helped me to make my hair merge in with the braid easily, and I will highly recommend. And an easy way to braid your hair, mostly if you're doing the pick and drop or the micro braiding, I recommend the knot method, where you'll be wrapping the braid once, twice, thrice, and then you go in to braiding your hair. This is kind of easy. It makes you grip your hair so hard, and that's why I was saying I'm braiding myself and I'm feeling the pain. It's not possible, but I'm glad, because this hair can serve me for 1 month and no one can really know that I did it to myself. That's the best thing ever. Another thing about this hair, or let me just say French braids, because also in my previous video I was just using the same terms: unraveling, tie knots, and I feel like they're just, if you're doing a French braids, just know how to secure your ends. Whether you're doing a crochet, whether you're doing a braiding, the secure method really matters. Because when I began doing the braiding, I kind of ignored the securing part, and let me tell you, I had to redo, because I just knew it will only take a week and I will be disappointed with this hairstyle. So this is how I was securing. I just take a small piece of the braiding hair, I tie the knot once, twice, thrice until I'm satisfied. No, not a knot. I wrap it until I'm satisfied. Once, twice, thrice. And now this is the time that I tie the knot. And tying a knot is not only once, but twice. And let me tell you, I still have the hair on me, and it's gonna be lasting me, and none of the braiding hair, none of the crocheting part has unraveled. So I truly recommend it. I'll be repeating it so that you can fully understand. And finally, we are done. Look at my hair. Look at the volume. I was really much excited about the volume. Small talk on the hair care maintenance. I only needed a water curl spray to revive the curls and also the curl activator. Anyways, there's nothing much I can say about this hair. I give it 10 out of 10. It wasn't shedding. The texture wasn't that bad. I went in with my spray. And my final say is I vouch for this hair. I vouch for this method because when I do the side part, no one can really know I did the crochet. And that's so amazing to me. Like, it's so fascinating. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And till next time. Bye.